These are homemade cheesesteaks, and they were so quick and easy to make. Your family will love these. Keep watching to see exactly how we made these. So I know there are many videos out there that shows you how to make cheesesteaks. However, I wanted to show you guys how we make ours in our household, make them homemade. We do everything from scratch, and the awesome thing about this is that it just tastes delicious. You guys have to watch to see how we make our mayonnaise sauce and also our garlic butter spread for the bread. OMG, it's going to entice the entire taste so much. So I'm showing you guys all the seasonings that we add to the actual steak meat, and this is beef rib steak meat as well, and all the seasonings will be listed down below, but I'm also showing you the video so you can see exactly what we're putting in there to get that great taste. We definitely want to have a fantastic popping taste to the actual steak meat, and all these are necessary. You can never have enough pepper in your food. Pepper definitely entices anything, honestly. So definitely add some pepper in there, you guys. And you want to make sure you thoroughly, of course, stir up the actual meat. You know, get all that seasoning on every little bit of piece of meat there is, so it could be very tasty, and it could be a part of every bite. And then what we want to add is some Worcestershire sauce. Oh yes, some Worcestershire sauce. Get you some really good brands as well to use. So you want to put that over the meat, and then we're going to, of course, stir that up. Make sure it's evenly coated over all the meat. And once you get that all mixed up, we then are going to work on our peppers. So I have green, yellow, red, and orange peppers. I did half of each of the peppers, and I put some pepper over the actual peppers, which gives them a little bit flavor as well. Again, pepper just entices almost everything, you guys. Always note that if you don't already know that. And just let you guys know, I did put a little bit of olive oil on this pan as well to cook the actual peppers to make them nice and soft. And you know that they're complete and done once they're soft. I also added some Worcestershire sauce to these peppers. Oh yeah, these bad boys are going to be so tasty, I'm telling y'all. So once you get that in there, you mix it up as you see me doing there. And then once the peppers are all complete and done, you want to add them to your actual steak meat. So we got our done steak meat, our done peppers. So now we just want to mix them all together. And once we get them all to, mixed together to your desired amount of mixture, we're going to then work on our mayo sauce. So you're going to put some mayonnaise in a bowl and also some sriracha sauce. So I love to use this brand, sriracha sauce, and also some garlic paste, you guys. So with these three ingredients, you're going to mix them up. And when I tell you this is going to give you some bomb mayonnaise, this spread is just so amazing. It's so much better than just using plain mayonnaise. So y'all, I guarantee you, once you start using this, you'll never go back to just using plain mayonnaise on your cheesesteaks, your chicken cheesesteaks, like I'm telling you. So now I added some lettuce also, as you guys can see, to the bread. But we're going to add our cheese to the bread. All of the bread has already got mayonnaise on it. It's just, I didn't want to have to show you guys me keep on putting mayonnaise on all the bread. But those are nicely, thoroughly mayonnaised up. We're going to add cheese. I'm using American deli cheese with these. And then we're going to add our meat. So, of course, the meat already has the peppers mixed in it. So we're going to, get a great amount of steak and load these breads up. I'm telling y'all, it smells amazing in the kitchen. Like, people is going to smell this from upstairs, downstairs, the basement. Your house is going to smell amazing with this actual recipe. So usually, after you put your meat and everything on the bread, it's like, okay, all done, looking good. And trust me, they look amazing. Also, I did add some turkey bacon, you guys, on there. But we aren't done. We are done. We are going to make some garlic butter spread. So I just did a half a stick of butter, put it in a bowl. Then I added some parsley, lots and lots of parsley, specifically for the color. We definitely want that on our bread. And then after we do that, I'm going to add some garlic paste. This is what's going to give it that awesome garlic taste. And once we put that in there, the next step is to melt it. So I put it in the microwave for a minute, maybe 15 seconds, and it's going to come out nice and melted. You just want to give it a great stir, and then you want to lather that awesome butter garlic sauce all over your bread. I usually use this when I make sliders, but I like to use it as well on the cheesesteak rolls because, y'all, it is amazing. It just gives the bread a phenomenal taste and everyone just loves it. It works so good that whatever kind of brand bread you get is going to entice it a million times, like, trust me. So this is the last step. Once you put that butter on there, we're going to throw it in the oven for a good 7 to 10 minutes. And I also did preheat my oven for 350 degrees. But look how good they look going into the oven. OMG. So I think on here, yeah, I did 7 minutes, timed it, just enough to get the cheese them out. And y'all, all done. Look how these bad boys came out. Nice. Cheese is nicely melted. The smell is amazing. It's just, y'all, it's just so good. We love this in our household. Super easy to make. I know a lot of people show y'all how to make cheesesteaks on YouTube, but this one right here, I'm telling you, got to try. Do it with your children. They're going to love it. And I want to thank y'all for watching. If y'all decide to try this, let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next video.